Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Box, and today I got the Twilight Saga Eclipse Collector's Edition. So today I went to Target and I saw the box and it looked pretty cool, so I decided to do an unboxing for all you people. It's the Blu-ray and DVD set, and I got it at Target, and I believe it came out today. And the cover has like trees around it, and it just has Twilight Eclipse in the middle with the moon. And on the side it just says Twilight Eclipse and some DVD info, Blu-ray info. Same on the other side. And on the back it just says the collector's gift, and it comes with pictures and stuff, some special features. And it looks kind of like a booklet sort of, so it's pretty cool. And let's open this thing up. I'm sorry guys, this is taking kind of long. It's actually kind of tricky to open this thing. And there you go, guys. The cover feels pretty soft. It's got a nice texture to it. And the back comes off somehow. Oh, there you go. That's like the actual back cover. And it's got like the pictures of all the characters in the movie. I think that white sheet on top just comes off. It's like a sticker thing. And yeah, that's the back cover. And you get some congratulations paper thing on how to like use a DVD. Nothing on the back. And there you go. You got the DVD right there. Well, that section is the Blu-ray, and then the back I think plays the DVD, and then that's like the picture they use with the 3 characters, and you open it up and you get like a picture of all the other vampires in the movie. And let's see how the DVD looks like. It's kind of tricky to open. You know what? Just forget that. And you got something in here. I believe these are the pictures. Let's see. Oh yeah, they are the pictures. Nothing inside. Alright, let's open these pictures up.
So pretty, so smart, such a waste of a young heart. What a pity, what a sham, what's the matter with you, man?
And that's like the back cover right there. This is the movie cover. And we got the first picture, some guy in the movie probably. Second one, the people just right there. Third one, we got another guy. Fourth one, we got like the whole family, I believe. Fifth one, we got the main character. And sixth one and last one, another picture of the couple. And those are the pictures right there. You get 6 pictures with the movie, and the box looks pretty nice. I'm really impressed on how they designed it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you next time.